In the world of modern dating, subtle patterns shape why some people fall for partners who aren't good for them. Psychology points to attachment scripts learned early, where longing and inconsistency blend into a magnetic pull that feels familiar. Through relatable scenes, the video follows a message ping that alternates warmth and withdrawal, a classic manipulation technique called intermittent reinforcement. By decoding signals like rapid idealization, sudden criticism, and breadcrumb promises, viewers can map their own attachment style and set boundaries. Ultimately, the aim is to transform insight into healthier choices, turning loops of longing into clear, compassionate self-care.